How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can invite friends in Medal.tv. Now, this is going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you've set up your account and basically you have your profile ready to go. Now, on the homepage of Medal.tv, which is going to be your clip library, you then want to click on this specific button, which has the friend icon and the plus icon right beside it, which will then look something like this. So just click on it. This pop-up menu will show up on the middle of your screen. And then if you want to invite your friends through something like Steam, Roblox, X, and Riot, you can then press on one of these options right here. But generally, all you have to do is to click on the copy invite link button. And then you want to head over to your friends messaging application. Maybe you message each other on Discord, on Instagram, or on Facebook. It doesn't really matter. All you have to do is to paste your invite link and basically just send it to your friend. Now, if they click on this specific link right here, your profile ID will be linked all together, and that's basically how you invite people onto Medal.tv, which will look something like this. Now in here, they can download, they can follow you or message you. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.